everybody. It's me, Christina, and welcome to another burping contest with girls that burp. I'm Christina, one of your burpers. With me, as always, my head judge, Jen Murphy. Say hi, Jen.
Hi, Jen. I'm here.
Jen, would you like to do a burp just to let the folks at home know that you are worthy of judging these powerful skills tonight? That's why she's the judge and not a contestant. Oh my God. There's more bubbles than there's a lot of bubbles. I'm going to nickname you Bubbles from now on. You have bubbly burps. Thank you for subscribing to our channel and just being burp lovers. I never know where to put these burps, and here you are. Just love them. Very kind of you. I have a new contestant, and I got to tell you guys, I'm very excited to seek out new burping talent. You know, like when I hear a voice, you know, I don't want to brag, but like a long time ago, I worked at a CD store in Ottawa, Ontario, and I had an eye for talent. I remember when Britney Spears came out with her CD single, I was like, this girl's going to be huge. And guess what? I think our next burp's going to be huge. You guys make some noise for Kelsey at California. Oh, wait, shit. I would have ended that up. Kelsey, you'll know her on TikTok as @Roxy Movie. Kelsey, what's going on?
I'm burp shy.
This happens all the time. Don't worry, the competition has not begun yet. We have 5 very serious rounds. Tell us a little more about what got you into burping and how you feel about it.
Well, we're gonna get real dark here. I have celiac disease, and so I've got a lot of indigestion, and I just since I was a child, I've burped so loud that it's kind of where people are looking, and my mom's always smacking me like, stop doing that. And I've been yelled at my entire life. And one day on TikTok, I was like, I'm just gonna burp, do one of my burps. And the reactions from it, I was like, people like this? I'm not in trouble? People aren't grossed out?
Oh my God, I noticed, yeah, your TikTok burps are so huge that I'm like scared to compete with you, but I feel the same way as you. I feel like my whole life people are like, you shouldn't burp, it's not very ladylike. And then it turns out there's a whole bunch of dudes out there that actually really appreciate it. And it's just not.
And I'm so thankful. My boyfriend in the background, he's all, woo! We got fans.
Well, we're here to have fun and we're here to burp. Jen, tell the people at home if they're new to watching the show, and Kelsey, you're new to the competition. Tell the folks what you're looking for.
Are you drinking squirt?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, I recognize the bottle.
There we go.
I've never been like a soda drinker, but in quarantine, I started drinking soda and I bought squirt, and everybody's making fun of me when they see it. I'm like, it's really fucking good.
It's really good, but it's caffeine free, because in my burping, I realize that carbonation is one of my things. I'm really new to burping. I don't do it on command. It's just after a meal. I'm blah. Somebody recommended squirt because it makes you burp better. And then I realized it was caffeine free, so then I could drink it at night when I try to do my videos.
All right, so I'm gonna explain to you, because I am the judge, obviously. So this is how it's gonna go. There's 5 rounds. The first 2 rounds are just sort of normal, like burp. The 3rd round is, I would like you to try and burp in the form of your favorite animal. And if you wanted to do an act out with this, that might add points. It's a 1 through 10 scoring. The 4th round is that you eat a bit of food and then you burp. The 5th round is how many burps you can do in a matter of 15 seconds. So those are our rounds. I'll be scoring you on a 1 to 10. I will be keeping this amazing professional scorecard. Also, when I say go, you can take, like 10, 15 seconds to down some of your squirt, whatever you need to do to prepare. Yeah. Like when I say go for your turn, you don't automatically have to burp. You can kind of take a little preparation time.
I'm glad you said that, because I feel this pressure that I'm like, just spit one out.
No, you can like take a few breaths, meditate for a second, down some soda, channel your inner childhood.
I mean, I know that's like usually you're like, I feel like that would be like a
like, don't moisted. Okay, because Kelsey, you're up first. Are we ready to start this?
I get burp nervous. I get I get burp shy sometimes too. We talked about that. Sometimes I get a little stage fright, and my burps aren't that big. So, but sometimes they're huge, and by the end of the episode, I feel like we'll be ripping big ones.
All of a sudden, we got enough air.
There also, Kelsey, I'm not just judging on burps. I'm judging on like originality, creativity, you know, passion.
Can I have an example of creativity?
Well, it's like when I said round 3 is the animal. If you wanted to like really become that animal and act out, you know. Okay. So Kelsey, our guest always goes first. So for round 1, you're up first.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay, so you ready? I'm gonna say
Squirt.
1, 2, 3.
Squirt episode.
Go. Squirt episode. Oh damn, she's chugging it.
I'm also a chugger. No, I don't want that one to count.
Okay.
Do it again. You got more chances.
Wow. As soon as you go, I'm gonna have one ready. That's
Exactly.
good.
All right, the first one.
I'll give you a 5. It was sort of average, but it was solid.
All right, it was work. Thank you.
And also,
Like you changed the texture of the air. That's all we're looking for. Yeah.
I can see how much you really cared, and that gets you points too. So I'm gonna get.
All right. Pushing them out.
Oh wait, there's one thing.
Oh, there we go.
Just like you. Christina does the same thing. She lets out her biggest burps when she's not like in the competition.
So true. I always have the big ones like when I'm just talking or when I'm in between rounds. But my actual round ones are always like bleh.
Wait, there's one other thing I forgot to tell you, Kelsey. So for some reason, the fans we've developed love burps, but they're also always desperately searching for farts. So if you ever need to feel like
I have the
just
most
be a thumbs
silent
up
heart.
and stand up and turn. And
They're not noisy at all.
Yeah, I have a problem too.
letting you know. Just letting you know.
I know people ask on TikTok too, and I was like, I would if I could.
And I feel like everybody on YouTube on our burp thing, everybody's really positive too. On comedy, you get trolled up the ass, but the burp lovers are really positive. They're like, we love these. These are so good. We like burps.
All right, Christina, you're up.
I'm ready. I'm drinking a Courage My Love from 3 Brewers. I am having beer tonight because it's Thursday. I know, but there we go.
Yes.
Okay, so here we go.
Solid.
Smell it from here.
Sorry.
There's a follow-up.
That was a good one. Okay.
Can't stop, won't stop. Party in the USA.
I'm going to give you like a 7. I'm going to give you a 7. And
Okay, all right, thank you.
7 are the pussy party. Finger bang. You just won a free finger bang. Unfortunately, we're in COVID, so you're gonna have to do it to yourself. But if I was there, I would totally.
Oh, I'm so excited! A free finger bang. Oh, that's so good. And you got your nails done too. I hope it doesn't ship it for me.
They look gel. They look like they're gonna stay a while.
All right, round 2. Kelsey,
Round 2.
you are up.
Right.
That bottle's getting destroyed.
Just poke it. I don't know. You just get excited and do things. Okay, the air is getting in there.
Yeah, swallow that air, baby.
While we distract you that I can't burp for a second, here's my Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
Oh, I love it.
Sweet.
But I love a little stick and a ball. All right. Oh, I feel it. It's like, you know where it sits. I know you know where it sits right there, and it's like I wanna. No. It'll come as soon as we start talking. Then all of a sudden I'll have a nice big burp, and I'm just
bubble up. But that one still felt like like if that burp was a penis, I would say it had a lot of girth.
You know,
right? It was like
it did its mission. Like it
Yeah.
fulfilled.
I felt power in different ways. Oh yeah. There you go. There we go.
One.
I'm gonna give you an 8 for that.
Oh yeah.
And you also get a free spin. So if you can bust out one more, that's extra points. 2 extra points. That'll make it a 10.
I love your free spin, Jen. This is new.
Christina, I've been working hard.
The glitter's where it's at, though.
Free spin. Free spin.
I'm trying. Love
You get 5 seconds for a free spin. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, that's a 10. You got yourself 10
those
points.
going.
10 points.
Gryffindor.
That's a good one.
Gryffindor.
You're gonna be ready for that. That's good practice for the last round where we just binge burp.
Right?
Binge burp. I like that.
Binge
All right,
burp.
Christina, you're up. Round 2.
Okay. All right. Is it weird? I know I have the beer, but I almost feel like I don't want to drink it because sometimes I feel like swallowing air is better.
That was a solid.
Is that good? Sometimes I stutter a little bit at the end of my burps, or like, you know what I mean? It's very, and then there's like aftershocks. Happens a lot.
But that was like a solid professional burp. I'm gonna give you that. Oh, there you go.
Sorry.
I'm gonna give you a 9. I'm gonna give you free nachos. Keep it up.
Free nachos, guys. That's my dream is free nachos. And no olives, extra jalapenos. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Coupon at any restaurant that's still open for outside dining.
Just like
If
nothing.
you come to Monterey, we actually have a place called Nacho Business, and it's just straight nachos, and they're bomb.
You're in Monterey?
I am in Monterey.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Oh my
Nacho
God.
Business. That is awesome.
I want to go to. We should definitely like put on a comedy show, you guys. The 3 of us. We should do a show at Nacho Business.
We should.
I love that.
20.
Nacho. Oh, that's so good.
They're ready.
Okay, we have not had a contestant that is exactly like Christina ever. And this is exactly
That's
what she does.
exactly. Yeah, that's exactly what I do. I'm always like, the second we're not competing, the biggest burst comes. Like,
In like 3 seconds, I was going to get Kelsey's turn, but I wait for your turn.
Just ahead of the game.
Okay, well, actually, Kelsey.
that can count for her round 3. I think that was powerful.
No, I mean, I'll keep it. It'll add in the back of my mind. But round 3 is the animal act out. So you can either just burp as your favorite animal, or you can physically like act out the animal while you're burping.
All right.
Like if you want to do like a pterodactyl.
I mean, I thought small, but now you said
Alligator.
pterodactyl, and I'm rethinking.
I mean, you could be a
I'd
squirrel.
like to be.
No, you could do whatever animal you want. You could be a caterpillar if you want small, whatever you think.
No, I meant small-minded, like domesticated animals. You're like on the scale of it. All right. Okay.
Whatever you want.
So story time, because we're gonna like 3 seconds of story time.
I'm going to give you a little more time for this one too. Take a little more time to develop your character and your animal and stuff.
So I know you've all seen Finding Nemo,
Yes.
and because of my long nose and freckles, I don't know if you can see them on camera, I look like Dory. And little children have told me this. This is how I know.
No
children,
way.
bratty little children, you know, the ones that are like point up at you. And they're like, you look like Dory. And I'm like, shut up. Get out of here, little kid. Like, stop with you. So I'm going to be a fish.
Like this.
She does look like Dory now.
Great.
Oh my God.
I can't do it.
It's hard to burp through a fish face.
It is hard to burp for fish face.
Oh yeah.
but I'm going to swallow water like fish swallow water.
Yes.
This is good.
I'm waiting for it to come back up.
That's just a 10, no matter what. That's a 10. I mean, it's like I was right there with you in the ocean.
I loved it. Oh my God. The burping.
I know you didn't see my hands. I was swimming.
I forgot we were in a burp contest. I just was like really with you there.
OMG.
I almost started choking on water myself.
Whoa, look at them coming up. Oh my God. Oh my God. You
It took
make
a while
so
for that
many
salt water to come back up.
Yeah, exactly. You make so many bubbles in the ocean right now.
I did. Like a little like oh, there it is.
Tired, guys.
That's the one I was waiting for.
All right, Christina, you're up.
Okay, well, it's ironic that I'm going to do this animal because, oh, by the way, this is a new round that our judge, Jen Murphy, just came up with. It's a new one. So I've never done this round before, just so you know.
Yes!
And I'm going to do an animal that I definitely don't even like. I think it's hacky. Everybody always thinks that single girls have this pet, and it bothers me. So I don't like this animal, even though I know that they're totally nice and fine. But so this is my impression. Right, here we go. Oh, I'm a cat.
Yeah, we figured that.
Meow. That's all I got. I think my meow could have been better. I don't know. Hold it.
But it was realistic. Like I could imagine a Garfield-y cat.
Oh, I didn't fucking know. I fucked it up. Oh, I lose. I meant to say I forgot to go. Hold on. I'm sure cats drink beer. Hold on.
They do.
They love beer.
I'm giving you a free spin.
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting a free spin. Thank God. Okay, all right. Okay, I need the free spin. All right, I'm ready. All right, here we go. Here, let me act like
You're
a real
already
cat.
above average, but now you get a free spin.
Cat. Be like.
Yeah.
I suck on this round.
No.
Yeah.
You just got an extra 3 points, which is a
I
3.
did know. The kinky threesome.
That gives you a total of 11 points.
Holy moly! I can't even believe it.
I mean,
there's only one part of my body that's furry, so
your commitment, your chair work,
I love a swivel chair.
the cleaning. I really felt like you were in that cat because I felt like I would not want you on my couch. Like
I feel like my hand tastes funny.
Peering. No, the peering. Like you did the little.
I really did.
okay, this is
That's hilarious. Oh, it's
this
good.
round's gonna take a little bit longer because now this is when you're supposed to eat something. So we got to do the bell. That means it's time for you guys to eat. It's like Pavlov's dog. Eat, eat. This is when you eat something and then you burp. This is when I like to do piggies. Eat, eat, piggies, eat.
I love you.
Would you like to share what you're eating? Obviously potato chips, but salt and pepper, regular Lay's.
Oh,
Ooh, Lay's.
Lay's.
Classic.
Is that a Christmas special bag?
It is.
Oh my God, that's adorable. You get extra points just for that.
Paired with M&Ms, you gotta have your salty chocolate peanut butter.
Oh yeah,
Christina?
totally.
Christina, what are you engaging in?
I'm eating. First of all, I like to brag about having a chip clip.
I love those ones. Those are so
Look,
good.
So I got kettle cut, dill pickle, crinkle cut chips.
Those are so good.
Kettle. Oh, we're ruining your burps. Whoa,
Hey,
you're
woo. Sneaky one from the judge. feel like we could do some like, what is that, MDMR? No, AMDR. What is it? Where they're like, like eating in the microphone.
Exactly. Really get it in there. Really get it in there.
I don't even know where my mic is. I just keep going to this corner.
No, you got a good crunch in that one. Oh, it is.
I do that with pickles. I have one on my TikTok where I'm eating pickles. I'm just crunching on it. I'm like, here, just for the aesthetics.
All right. You let me know when you're ready.
We're about ready. It's coming.
About ready. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Voice gets a little lower. Gotta hold it in a little.
Are you guys open in Monterey?
Nope. You get fined for everything. Put
Okay,
a mask on. Don't be out.
You. Focus. Okay,
Oh.
focus. Round 4.
No, it only works when we are all talking. That's it. We got to move on past my turn.
I like when it got really quiet and all I could hear was Christina chomping on her chips. It was like.
It's aesthetics.
Those are really thick chips.
Like pushing on my stomach. Like, come on.
I
I want to learn how to burp on command. Like, do people just know how to like burp those big old long burps? You do?
Oh yeah, I do.
You know? Okay. Well, teach me your ways.
I'm a professional.
Nope.
We know you got it in it. Oh, we're ready for your next round. We know. Get it right now. Here it comes.
No. It's a long one. It's like that never-ending bog. I think that's. I gotta eat. I'm just gonna keep eating.
Christina, what do you think? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna give Kelsey a 6 on that one. This is called the devil's burp.
Devil's burp. Love it.
Means the devil's fucking with you. And also the cove is coming.
The cove.
Oh, no.
Not just the Rona, the cove.
Cove.
All right, Christina, you're up.
Okay, so like I said, dill pickle, crinkle cut chips. I like dill pickle chips. I feel like they weren't available in America. It was a Canadian thing, like a ketchup chip for a long time. So I got excited when I saw these today.
But no, it's not an American thing then.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know.
I like weird. Oh, that's a good one. I like weird flavored chips.
I do too.
Okay.
Are you giving us the crunch sounds?
You inspired that, to be honest. Now that credit goes to you. Okay, here we go. Sometimes I get shy and have to close my eyes when I burp. Like I'm the Mariah Carey of burping.
Just let it out. All that one. You can feel the energy pushing that out.
I think I just had a child.
That was definitely a 10 because I feel like you might have sharted at the same time.
Just popped a few blood vessels.
That was like, oh my god, that one was like, oh my god, it was. I thought it was over like twice, and then it wasn't over. I was like, there's more.
You were pushing so hard, I thought a little bit of blood might like just like come out, trickle out of your nose.
Oh my god, a pickle for the burp win. Oh shit.
All right, guys, this is the final round.
Aftershocks. You know how it is. California people with your earthquakes. You know what it's about.
Out of nowhere.
This is our final round, round 5.
Sorry, I can't stop now.
It's okay. You guys
Don't
are
stop.
building.
Little bomb.
I need my cell phone for this. I don't know where it is.
Oh, that was a good one, Jen. That's some of your best work.
Okay, well, I don't have my cell phone, so this is as many burps as you can do in 15 seconds.
All right.
I guess I'll just have to count to 15 because I don't have my timer. Hold on.
Just keep holding up your fingers and just like do it 3 times.
Getting enough
Oh,
part
yeah,
right now.
I will. Okay, good idea. I'm always concerned when I can't find my cell phone, but okay. Okay.
That's a whole.
Okay, Kelsey's up first.
Okay.
Me?
And
Okay, tell when you're ready, after you're done preparing, when you're ready, just give a thumbs up and I'll start counting.
okay, ready?
It's almost better counting on my fingers than myself.
That was intense.
Well done. I like the silent burps. I found them very provocative, like a silent fart almost. We're like, whoa, I felt it come out though.
It's there.
The gas is definitely there.
We've done a lot of these, and I don't know if it's just because I was counting on my fingers, but I feel like you're the first person that's given a burp for every second that I've counted. So I'm going to give you a 10 plus 5. 15.
Yeah.
Highest score ever on burp contest. Christina knows this is the highest score ever.
That's the highest score ever.
Well, thanks for having me. Man, I'm excited.
God, you're so good. All right, so now it's my
More
turn.
than I thought, I guess.
Yeah. Christina, just give me a thumbs up when you're ready.
Okay, hold a second. Of course, I know now that I started eating the chips, I can't stop. So now
I know.
It's like Pringles.
I know. It's like now I'm gonna have like food in my teeth or whatever. Also, I watched a lot of Chopped today, and all I could think of is like I think I want to like pitch an after show for Chopped for all the judges. Like tell the people at home which dishes gave them diarrhea. I think that's a good idea. Okay, are you ready, Jen?
Yeah.
Okay. And go.
Okay, you're good.
Oh no, I didn't do as many as her. Oh, one of these days I'm gonna barf. I know it.
You know, Christina, you did good. You did very good. I'm going to give you what I think was, oh no. Oh, we have 10 minutes. Okay, good. Sorry. I'm going to give you what I think was the score of your burping.
I know.
But
I
also,
didn't.
I'm going to give you an extra 4 points because you really try a lot. So I want you to keep trying.
Thank you. I kept trying. Thank you. I was
12 points.
never give up. Never give up on my dreams.
Never give up.
And now I'm going to just let you guys take a few moments to do whatever you want while I tally up the score, which might take a while because I'm not good at math.
This is the perfect timing. My mom is texting right now anyway, so.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. I'm doing a burping contest. Oh, yeah, here we go. Now we can just freestyle. Freestyle out some cash burps.
Like those just weren't stopping.
Dude, those ones you did on TikTok were so big. I was like, holy fuck, she's gonna fucking crush me.
No, it's definitely not on command. It's whenever I burp loudest when I'm hungry.
When what?
When I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, sometimes empty stomach burps. I do find that if I drink coffee on an empty stomach, which I always do in the morning, I don't know if that's good for me. Oh yeah, it's some huge burps. Like you could feel the gut rot.
It's like, yeah, it's moving some stuff around.
Totally. Like,
Okay, guys, the score is in.
Oh my God.
It was really close. I mean, this was amazing. I just want to state, before I announce the score, if either one of you can bust out a fart, you automatically win.
Oh yeah, farts automatically win. Yeah.
Farts automatically win.
I got nothing.
She's thinking about it.
We're pushing, you know, you gotta see if it's ready. There's nothing there.
All right, well, it was very close. A score to 46-49, but unfortunately, Christina has won.
Did I win? Oh my God, I can't.
Win the
I
Piggy
really can't
Award.
believe it. I don't want you to think that these things are rigged. I feel bad. I'm going to thank the Academy for nominating me.
You haven't won on every contest, so it's not rigged.
I know. I don't even think I
Very
won
close.
the last one. You did
But
a
that's
great
why you
job.
have these contests. Because you're reigning champion.
I know, but this is why I have to stay on my A game, right? I have to like keep practicing, you know. But you were great, and I'm gonna tell everybody follow Kelsey on TikTok. You're at Roxy Movie, right?
Roxy Moxie.
Oh yeah. Oh, Roxy Moxie. I definitely wrote down
Yeah,
Oxy Movie.
plug whatever you want to plug before we end.
I'm on TikTok.
Moxie.
If anyone
Roxy
can find
Moxie on TikTok. Go follow her. Get on there. Get on the Squirt. You are the first contestant to use Squirt, and I think that's a highlight.
Right?
eating chips.
Make sure you tag this episode with Squirt, Jen. We should get some new subscribers.
Hashtag Squirt.
Thank you for joining our burp contest.
Thank you for having me. This has been really fun.
We're glad you had fun. That's what we want. We just want fun.
Yeah.